A lot of people try to do the chain rule first, but they get confused because there are two different insides. But you shouldn't do the chain rule first. You have a function times a function. That is the product rule. So here we go. This is where good work comes into play. I forget who it is, but someone keeps trying to do derivatives of each and then bring it all together at the end. You've got to do one straight sentence, or you're going to get lost real fast. So here we go. When I do the derivative, I have the first function times the derivative of this. So what I'm going to do is simply write d dx cosine 4x to say I still need to take that derivative. I haven't yet, but I need to take that derivative. Plus the second function times the derivative of the first. So I simply wrote I need to find that derivative. Because I know actually finding that derivative is a little more work. Yeah? This sentence, you've got to write this out. You're going to get lost quickly. Because we're going to be doing big derivatives here. Okay. So here we go. Let's work on this. So you see I have a function in a function. A lot of people don't see that. If there's anything other than just plain old x inside, that's a function in a function. That's 4x is your inside. So then what would f of u be? Cosine of u. So f prime u prime. What is the derivative of f? We have sine u. What's the derivative of u? 4. So give me negative 4 sine, plug u back in. You with me there? Now we're going to go do the chain rule on this. U is 3x. So that would leave f of u to be 2 sine u. So f prime u prime. What is f prime? 2 cosine u. What is u prime? 3. So that's really 6 cosine, plug u back in, 3x. You with me? Yeah. So now let's go back to my original statement. F prime of x is that 2 sine 3x times negative 4 sine 4x. Right? Because that's my answer for this. So this times this, correct? Plus cosine 4x times 6 cosine 3x. Right? This times this. But of course we're going to clean that up. F prime of x equals, here the only thing you can clean up is the 2 and the negative 4. Excuse me, negative 8 sine 3x sine 4x. Yeah? Plus 6 cosine 4x cosine 3x. Yeah? We're going to leave it like that. Let's see. An identity. I think you can actually use an identity here, but most of you will not see that. Yeah? It's not pretty, but we're going to start to get really messy ones.